Delivering message?
Your footballness. It's a message bird. Huh?
Well, go on, make it.
Hello? Hello? How do you use this message bird thing?
It's the Queen.
Just speak into its ear, Mom. It will mimic everything it hears. I don't even know if I'm holding it that... Testing? Testing. North? North?
Perhaps she's heard about the game.
Of course he hasn't heard about the game.
I've heard about the game. You arranging a football match against a bunch of savages? You idiot! Imagine if we lost.
We won't!
I said imagine it! Exactly. The mighty Bronze Age brought to its knees by a bunch of cavemen? Well, I'm warning you, Nuth. You'd better not lose.
End of message.
Oh! Silly old bat! How dare she talk to me like that?
Puh, silly old bat. How dare she talk to me like that?
Delivering message? Delivering message?
Oh, no.
What's this? I hear about the savages playing football centuries before we were.
Ow! I didn't know! Ow!
And my spies tell me they're getting better. Training every day. Ow! 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 You'd better not screw it up, Nuth, or else I'll tell you who'll be going down the mine.